Hello and welcome to your channel pariksha.com. Easy to understand, easy to learn. I am Indranil and today I am going to discuss about a new advertisement that is came from the Airport Authority of India. It is a Mini Ratna company, grade 1, for the post of junior executives in various disciplines of engineering as well as science background. In this video, I will discuss about eligibility criteria, opening and closing date of application form, educational qualification, experience details, and application fee of this particular post. So before starting my video, I'd like to request all of you please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for future notifications. Going to the recruitment, the advertisement number for this post is 05/2020. Recruitment of manager and junior executives in various disciplines. Okay, this junior executives, it has lots of vacancies for science graduates as well as engineering disciplines who have completed their undergraduate in various engineering streams. As you can see over here, there are various posts that has been came from the Airport Authority of India, which is manager fire services, manager technical, junior executive traffic control. Okay, here you can see for manager fire services and manager technical, it has experience 5 years. You must possess an experience of 5 years. But in this postcode, which is 3, junior executive air traffic control, you don't require any kind of experience for applying this post, and there are lots of vacancies. As you can see over here, there are 264 total number of vacancies present for this post, which is junior executive air traffic control, and the minimum educational qualification that you must possess for applying this post is bachelor degree of 3 years in science or BSc with physics and mathematics, or you can also apply who have done their undergraduate in engineering, which is BE or BTech in engineering discipline in physics and mathematics should be subject in any of their semester curriculum. Normally physics and mathematics, it is in undergraduate engineering level first year and second year curriculum are there, so they can also apply for this junior executive post, as well as bachelor degree of science or BSc with physics and mathematics, they can also apply. And the main thing, there is no experience is essential, but it can be desirable one. There are 264 total number of vacancies. For UR it is 107, for EWS it is 26, OBC non-criminal at 72, SC 40 and ST 19 posts are there for this junior executive air traffic control. Now going to the all other details, which is application fees and the processing or application form, opening and closing of this application, I will discuss in this video. There is a certain age limit for junior executive as well as manager. Manager post is important for those candidates who have 5 years of total experience in their previous works, but in junior executive it don't have any kind of essential experience requirement. but the maximum age limit for general candidate for applying this junior executive post, which is 27 years as on 13th November 2020. Relaxation of age has been given from the as per Indian constitution norms for SC, ST, PWD and OBC candidates. Important dates that you need to keep in mind, which is opening date for online application is 15th December 2020 and last date for online application, which is 14th January 2021. Tentative date of online examination or CBT as per discipline wise will be announced in Airport Authority of India's website in due course of time, and remuneration that you will get, which is for manager and junior executive. Most important is junior executive, which is executive grade 1 post. The pay scale for this post is 40,000 to 1,40,000. Increment is 3% per year. The main thing is how to apply for this junior executive as well as managerial post. You can apply by going to the official website of AAI, by doing the first time registration. Then you can fill up the form by filling up those all details of your educational qualification or caste or other experience details, and the application fee of 1000 application fee of 1000 only is to be paid by the candidate for general category. For SC, ST female candidate have to pay rupees 170, and PWD apprentices who have successfully completed 1 year of apprenticeship training in AI are exempted from payment of any fee. That means the payment of this post, which will be 1000 for general candidate as well as OBC candidates, general as well as OBC, and for other caste it will be 170 rupees including females also. Okay, this was the last of this video. If you like my video, then please subscribe our channel and give your valuable feedback in the comment section. Thank you. Have a great day.